Very good morning, friends. Myself, Dr. M.H. Channaya. In today's video, we are going to work out the projection of a square pyramid which has got a base 30 millimeter and height is equal to 60 millimeter. It is resting on HP and one of its base edges on HP. So, friends, the moment you see that base edge resting on HP, you please place the object on HP such that one of the base edges of the four edges is perpendicular to VP and obtain its top and front views. You write the top view first and then the front view. So friends, here we have drawn a square of side 30 mm and mark the corners as A, B, C, D and join the diagonals. Here we have got OA, OB, OC and OD. These four are the slant edges of the pyramid, and in the front view, O dash A dash, O dash B dash, O dash C dash, O dash D dash represent the four slant edges of the square pyramid. And friends, you can see here the line O dash O1 dash is the axis that is perpendicular to HP. So this is a common phenomena. Whenever a pyramid or a prism or a cube, a cone or cylinder is placed on HP, in the front view, the axis of the solid will be perpendicular to HP. But it says in the question, the axis is normal to VP and parallel to HP. Now it is perpendicular to HP. We will draw like this. We will rotate through 90 degree such that this solid will have its axis parallel to HP. So I am going to redraw this front view such that this base becomes vertical. So friends, I am going to redraw the same figure, that is this triangle, and say this is how it looks. The same thing only. So mark the axis, etc. This is O dash, O1 dash. This is A dash, B dash. This is C dash, D dash. I'll write here C dash, D dash. And you find, friends, that this line is the base of the solid which is perpendicular to HP. I have shown here. And here this axis O dash, O1 dash is the axis of the solid. That axis is now perpendicular to, or you can say parallel to HP. It is parallel to HP. And let us obtain the corresponding top view for this, friends. So what we do, we write vertical line through this and extend all these lines. So you are going to have here, friends, AD on this, AD, and this is going to be BC. The base again appears as a line in the top view with the center O1, and we'll have this vertex O, draw a vertical line from there and a horizontal line from here representing the axis of the solid. So I'll write it again. So friends, this is O1 representing the axis of the solid. Now we will join O to A, O to D. So we'll write O to A, O to D, then O to B, O to C. This is the base of the solid. Again you find, friends, this base is perpendicular to HP. Base is also perpendicular to VP. And you find the axis of the solid, axis O1 is parallel to VP. It is parallel to VP and it is also parallel to HP. But what is it saying in the question? The question is says that the object resting on one of the base edges has axis normal to VP. So now the axis is parallel to VP. We have to redraw this figure such that this line becomes horizontal or this O1 becomes vertical. So friends, I am going to redraw this top view, the triangle, such that this line becomes vertical or the axis becomes vertical. So I will draw a line through this and show all these dimensions, the same values. Same thing is redrawn here. This is AD goes to right side, and this is BC, and this point is O, this is O1. And you find that, friends, the axis which was parallel here has become vertical. So axis perpendicular to VP or normal to VP as per the thing. And also one more condition is that the apex O of the solid should be nearer to the observer or away from VP. Friends, we will reproduce or get the final front view. I'll write a vertical line from here and a vertical line from here. So within this we should have this figure. So I'll write a horizontal line through this and obtain all the four corners of that. So let's take one by one. See, draw a vertical line from here, a horizontal line from here. The point where those two intersect is our point A dash. Similarly, we have got B dash here. So when you have got A dash, B dash, this is C dash and this is D dash. These are the borders or the base edges of the solid. So we will join all these by straight line. So one line from here, second line from here, third from here, the fourth from here. The vertex of the solid is here. Draw a horizontal through the vertex, a vertical line through this, and you have this point O dash. Friends, O dash is to be joined to all the corners. So O dash to A dash, O dash to B dash, etc. If you join like this, friends, you are going to get a figure of this sort. So if you keenly observe this figure, friends, you will see that this base appears in its true size without any change in the dimension. So very obviously it is going to be 40 SQ or SQ 40 or 30, sorry, SQ 30, the dimension of that, and this is O dash, and O1 also appears here, O dash, O1 dash. And friends, you will see here, this is the final front view of the solid, this is the top view of the solid, and finally we have to check whether the solution we have made is satisfying all the requirements specified in the problem. Friends, you will verify one by one. See, the object has to stand on one of the base edges. Yes, it is standing on CD. That CD is here. It is satisfied. Axis is normal to VP. The final view, O1 is the axis, and that axis is normal to VP. You can see here. And normal to VP and parallel to HP. You can see here, since it's seen in its true form, this O1 represents the axis of the solid in the top view that will have the same length as this. There is no change. Hence, this is parallel to the HP. So, friends, the solution we have got satisfies all the requirements specified in the problem. Friends, I am sure that all of you would have followed the presentation made on this square pyramid when resting on one of the base edges with the axis normal to VP. And friends, one more hint I would like to give you here. See here, the base of the solid is perpendicular to HP, or the axis is parallel to HP. It is one and the same because the axis O1 and the base ABCD are perpendicular to each other. So friends, please go through the complete video without skipping anything in between. If you like this video, do share this video with all your friends without fail. Have a wonderful day, and I thank you very much for watching my YouTube video.